that car doing, Jack? Hey?
No.
The car's nose. Yeah. Can you see the car's ears? Hey?
No.
Where are you going? That's the car's poo, Jack. Yuck. What does the car say?
That.
Yeah. What's happening? What's that car doing? Ah, chicken, yes. Chicken snake, well that's a goose actually. But yes, it's the same principle.
Goose.
Yeah, goose. Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Okay.
Yeah. Where are the other cows, Jack? Huh? Well, there's some more cows. There. There's a cow. And where? Down there, yes.
Wee.
That cow made a wee, that's right. Come, should we go? Come, let's go.
Dad.
Hey?
Dad.
Yeah, let's go back.